Abhilash Vajpayee. I'm a UG2 student at NICC. I have taken visual arts and communication. I prefer to do web designs. Dad is a project head, Northern region, Al Jaber, Abu Dhabi.
Okay.
Mom is a homemaker and I'm a student. My dream is to, I want to add the design to the environmental factor, the environmental science. People talk about environmental crisis, these, that, happening, global warming, XYZ, but nobody gets it. I mean, you'll have several companies portraying the environmental concerns. You have websites, Nat page over environmental issues, but it doesn't attract people. I think it needs to be portrayed very well, so that people attract towards it. Try following the ideas. Try doing whatever it takes to save the environment. Talk about environmental people. To people, they just listen it, they try to work with it, but they forget it. But then people never forget to check on their Facebook accounts day and day. Probably some of them you'll find all day logged in. So I want something that people at least will check into at least once a day, and they would do something. They'll do their part. Usually you have websites, or you have conferences, you have world seminars from UNESCO, UN regarding this. So I would like to add some fun element in that, or like fun exercise. Like you have in elementary schools, you have, or in your high schools, you have environmental science being made compulsory. But those are like textbooks. You will learn what it is, what are the technical terms, and what you are up to basically. But that's such a boring thing. Something creative that that just visually appeals to people, and they don't forget to log into once a day. I mean, check into it or check towards it, so that they get rid of that. I mean, they do their part towards the environment. If I'm a head of something, like global head or something, I would like to start a design branch of design integrated with environmental. Secondary, first is awareness. Secondary, motivating people. Third would a little amount of money, of course, funds, financials, physical matters, but